Buddhāvataṃsaka, Flower Ornament Sutra, Chapter 1, The Wonderful Adornments of the Leaders of the Worlds. The deity sovereign monarch of constellations found the door of liberation, showing all things to be illusory and like empty space, formless and without inherent nature. The deity moon of pure awareness found the door of liberation, performing great works for the benefit of all beings. The deity great majestic light found the door of liberation, universally cutting off all doubt and confusion. At that time, Moon Godling, imbued with the spiritual power of the Buddha, surveyed all the celestial hosts in all the moon palaces, and said in verse, "The Buddha radiates light pervading the world, illumining the lands in the 10 directions, expounding the inconceivable, far-reaching teaching to destroy forever the darkness of ignorance and delusion. His sphere is infinite and inexhaustible. He teaches eternally throughout countless eons, edifying beings through various powers. Flower Topknot looks upon the Buddha this way. The ocean of sentient beings' minds varies from moment to moment. The Buddha's knowledge is so broad it comprehends all this, expounding the truth for them all, making them glad. This is the liberation of subtle light. Sentient beings have no holy tranquility. Sunk in evil ways, they suffer many pains. The Buddha shows them the nature of things. Peaceful meditation sees in this way. The Buddha, with unprecedented great compassion, enters all states of existence to help sentient beings, explaining truth, encouraging virtue, promoting fulfillment. This is known to eye light. The Buddha opens up the light of truth, analyzing the natures of the acts of all worlds, their good and their evil, without a mistake. Pure light, seeing this, gives rise to joy. The Buddha is the basis of all blessings, like the earth supporting all buildings. He skillfully shows the peaceful way out of distress. Immutable knows this technique. The bright glow of his fire of knowledge pervades the universe. He manifests countless forms, equal to all beings, exposing true reality for the benefit of all. Monarch of Constellations realizes this path.